The long-term emotional and social impact of a DWI conviction. A DWI conviction isn't just a legal issue, it is a life-altering event with lasting emotional and social consequences. Beyond fines, probation, or jail time, many people experience shame, isolation, and struggles to rebuild their reputation. Let's explore these challenges and strategies for recovery so you can move forward with confidence. Understand the emotional toll, shame and embarrassment. A DWI conviction often brings overwhelming feelings of shame. This can stem from the social stigma associated with drinking and driving, fear of judgment from family and friends or coworkers, internal guilt for putting yourself or others at risk. Example, a young professional in Houston may hesitate to disclose a DWI to their employer, worried about being labeled irresponsible. This fear can lead to self-doubt and anxiety in professional and social interactions. Loss of confidence. A conviction can shake your self-esteem, making you question your ability to make sound decisions. This loss of confidence can impact personal relationships, career goals, and even day-to-day activities like driving. Mental health struggles. For many, the weight of a DWI leads to mental health challenges such as depression, feeling like the conviction defines their identity, anxiety, worrying about background checks or future opportunities, and substance dependence. The stress of the situation can sometimes lead to further reliance on alcohol and or drugs. There's also the social stigma of a DWI conviction. For professional repercussions in today's competitive job market, a DWI conviction can make securing employment much more difficult. Background checks reveal criminal records, and many employers view a DWI as a red flag. Example, a teacher might face stricter scrutiny from school boards or parents, even if their DWI was a first-time, non-aggravated offense. Strained relationships. Family and friends may react differently to the news of a DWI. While some may offer support, others may express disappointment or mistrust, complicating existing relationships. Public perception. A DWI can feel like a permanent label. Even casual acquaintances may associate you with your conviction, making social situations very uncomfortable. So what are some strategies for recovery and moving forward? Number one, if you're not appealing your case, take responsibility. Acknowledge the mistake is the first step toward recovery. Accepting responsibility doesn't mean dwelling on the past, it's about learning from it. Seek professional help if needed. Counseling or a therapist can help you process emotions and rebuild your self-esteem. Go to support groups. Groups like AA, Alcoholics Anonymous, provide guidance and a sense of community. Rebuild trust. Open communication. Be honest with loved ones about your efforts to improve. Follow through. Comply with court orders, probation terms, and treatment programs to show accountability. Number four, focus on personal growth, education, and your career. Consider pursuing additional certifications or training to demonstrate your commitment to growth. Have healthy habits. Regular exercise, mindfulness, and proper nutrition can improve mental health and overall well-being. Work with a DWI attorney. A skilled attorney can help minimize the long-term impact of a DWI, such as seeking record sealing or expungement. They can also advise on strategies to navigate professional and social challenges. You may have incorrectly been charged with a DWI. Perhaps when the arresting officer conducted their investigation, they didn't do it thoroughly or correctly, or when your breath or blood was taken, it wasn't done properly. So before you're even convicted, discuss these very important points with your lawyer. So some key takeaways. A DWI conviction may feel like a permanent setback, but it doesn't define your worth or your future. A DWI also doesn't necessarily mean you have a dependence on alcohol or drugs. While the emotional and social toll is real, recovery is possible with determination, support, and the right legal guidance. At the David Smith Law Firm, PLLC, we understand the personal challenges that follow a DWI. Beyond offering legal solutions, we're here to support you through the journey of rebuilding your life.